Hi, I'm Michael, also known as the Tokyo Guitar Tech, and today I want to demonstrate this modified 1950 through 1952 Telecaster circuit I made. It has 3 mini toggles that give you 16 combinations of tone, and it's not confusing. It's actually quite simple to use, so let me break it down for you. So I have a circuit installed on this Telecaster here, and the base model is the 1950 Broadcaster wiring, which has 3 positions. The front position is what was called the deep rhythm. It's running through a dark capacitor, and it's just jazzy rhythm. The middle position is the neck alone. So this circuit has no tone control to filter, to tame the pickups, tame the neck. Instead, it has brass saddles, and the brass saddles give you a warmer, softer sound. And the third position, with this knob all the way up to 10, it's a bridge alone. But as you turn it down, you start to blend in the neck pickup. So with it at 0, or 1, we have both pickups in parallel. So bridge alone, neck alone, parallel, deep rhythm. Okay, so the deep rhythm I love it actually. I don't know why it's not popular, but personally I love it. But I wanted more variation. So I put in this switch here, I call it the jazz switch. It changes the capacitor value to something a little brighter. So that's a really cool jazzy tone, but I thought, wouldn't it be awesome to have the bridge in there as well? So I made this other switch to do just that. It throws the bridge in, without, with, okay, so let's go back to the bridge position. Now remember, if we turn this knob down, we have parallel, but it's a little bit darkened. So what I did is I created this middle switch called the sparkle switch, which throws in the bridge and the neck in parallel, overlaid onto whatever pickup selection you have. And the bridge runs through a capacitor and a resistor that shaves off a little bit of the low end to give you more shimmer. So let's hear how that sounds. Here's normal bridge. With sparkle. Let's play some of these triads. Sparkle. Let's hear that on neck. Here's normal neck. And here's a neck with a sparkle overlaid. Out. With. Okay, and the last switch, I call it the juice switch, and it adds a juicy tone. So without and with. Neck. Okay, and it sounds really good with distortion. It actually gives you this bite and then cuts you through the mix. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. So here's without, we're on the bridge. Here's with. Without. With. You hear it? Without. With. So it gives you a real good snarl. All right. So anyway, that's the what I call the 5025 from 1950 to 2025, and we have a bunch of. I use a bunch of high-end capacitors, so it's kind of pricey. But on the website, you can order it with ceramic capacitors for over half off discount. So here's how it looks. I also include a jack, so you can easily swap this out with your current circuit without having to do much soldering. All you have to do is connect the neck pickup and the bridge pickup. It's pretty simple, and it should fit right in. Now, some models, they won't have enough space for this, so please consult with me before you buy it. And also, I offer on my website, you can actually build your own custom modification. So you don't have to have the switches that I chose. And if you don't want to switch, if you want more room for a volume swell, you can use push-pulls. We can use 4-way or 5-way selector switches. So I give you all the options. Go check it out. It's shop.goodmanrecordings.com. Link in bio, as they say. All right. Thank you so much for listening.